this video, we are going to learn about the number system. So we have three things to learn from. We have the flip cards, the jigsaw puzzles, and the wooden number board. So let's start from the flip cards. So are you ready? So all you need to do is, I will show you the numbers, and then you have to tell me what number is this or that or anything. So 1, 2, correct? No. 3. Next. 4. Good. 5. Yes. Amazing. 6. Amazing. You're good at this. Next. 7. Wrong. It is 8. Oh no. Last one. 9. Good. It is 9. So now, let's learn the number system from the jigsaw puzzle. So, are you ready? So all you need to do is, I will show you one jigsaw puzzle, and then you have to tell me what number is there on the jigsaw puzzle. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Let's start. 0. Correct. 0. 1. Good. It says 1. Next. 2. Amazing. You're so fast at this. 3. Good. Next. 4. Good. It is 4. Next. 5. Yeah, it is 5. And 6. Good. It is 6. Correct. Next. 7. Yeah, good. It is 7. Next. 8. Good. The last number. 9. Good. It is 9. Now, let's learn from the wooden number board. So, all you need to do is, you have to count the numbers from 0 to 9. So, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. What's this number? 0. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. All are correct. Now, quiz time. Yes. So all you need to do is, in the quiz, I will say one random number, and then you gotta think that out. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. 0. Good, it's 0. 6. Good, it's 6. 1. 3. 2. Good, it's 2. 7. It's 7. 4. Good, it's 4. 9. Good, it's 9. 8. Yeah, we've taken out all the numbers. It's part 2 of the quiz. Yeah. need to do is, I will tell you a random number, and then you've got to put that number in this board.
Okay.
So let's start. 1. Correct. It is 1, and it's correct plus 0. 0.
Now 2.
No. I will tell some random number. Correct. 4. 6. Yeah. 6. Correct. 9.
9.
Yeah. 9 goes in. 5. 5.
5.
5.
I don't know how to fit.
We've put 5. Now 7. 3. 3. 3. 3.
What is 3?
8. 8 goes here.
And the 2.
Now 2. The last one. So funny.
Nearly.
Okay, now we are finished. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Bye bye.